My name is Lillian Owen, and I'm teaching computer science. I teach specifically AP Computer Science Principles, which is a survey course about computer science. What that means is kids get to learn about different aspects of computer science. So we spend a little time learning about the internet and how it really works. They get to play with a simulated internet, so they can't destroy anything. It's kind of nice. And sort of the early stages of the internet, they kind of go through the history of it that way. They learn to code, just at basic level, and a lot of times they come into the course and think coding, oh, that's scary, but it's not. They learn that it is very obtainable. It just takes practice. It's like learning a language, and so I think it sort of takes some of the mystery away from that. It makes a career in that field obtainable. They learn a little bit about images and how we compress them, how they're created with code, that sort of thing, and they learn a lot about data and big data, and how it's sort of involved in our life.
Vasquez Rivera, I'm a senior at Maryvale High School. I really love this class. It's probably one of my favorite classes because it does keep me on my toes. Like every day is a new learning experience. And even though the projects that we do are long and time consuming, I learn something new every day in this class. I think it's pretty beneficial for everyone to know how a computer works and how certain programming works in general, because programming is not just in computers, it's literally everywhere, because everything has a certain program to finish, it has certain rules. So yeah, I think this class is pretty beneficial into you understanding what the real world, how it actually works. And just learning the basics of how a computer should work is going to help me in the long run, and I'll be ahead of my class probably.
So I hope when they leave, this course, that they feel confident enough to either pursue possibly a degree or even get into the workforce, because they sort of learn how to teach themselves by, towards the end when they're doing their project. So they kind of learn that confidence, and they learn that they can actually teach themselves new languages. In Arizona, just last year, there were 9,667 open computing jobs and only 546 computer science graduates. This year, it's gone up to 9,860. But now we have 814 graduates, so we're seeing an increase, and that is probably because there's a push to take computer science in the high school. I hope that that's helping.